I'm Maddie Kellett. I'm a grad student at College of the Atlantic, and Dr. Mize wants to understand how dolphins hear differently than humans. So humans can perceive sounds of about 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz or 20,000 hertz, while dolphins can hear from about 50 hertz to upwards of over 150 kilohertz. So they have a much wider range of frequencies, and this is because sound is their most important sense underwater. They can't really see very far or can't even smell. So they use sound especially for foraging, navigation, and especially communication. A lot of their clicks and whistles that dolphins use to communicate are in these much higher frequencies. So the way dolphins hear is actually through their jaw. So in their jaw, it's all filled with a bunch of fats, and then in the thin part of the bone, they actually have a lot of fat called the acoustic window. So the sound travels through the water. It goes through the jaw and travels through all the fats to the acoustic window, and that is directly attached to the middle ear, and then is attached to the inner ear. This middle ear and inner ear are encapsulated within what is known as the auditory bullae, and this is a bone cavity in which these ears sit. Unlike in humans, where this is directly fused to the skull, the bullae in dolphins is actually attached to the skull via ligaments. So when the sound travels through the fats into the middle ear and then to the inner ear, the sound is then transferred into neural impulses, which send signals to the brain, and that is how dolphins hear. So if I could have any sense, I would choose to be able to hear like a dolphin. This is because as a human, I can't hear underwater, and I would really like to learn or know what it is to hear underwater like dolphins and whales.